Hey everybody, it's Chris Wilk from Android Authority, and we're here at the Samsung Galaxy S4 launch event in New York City at Radio City Music Hall. Now, we're looking at the Samsung Galaxy Note 2 and the Samsung Galaxy S4, and despite being from the same family, from the same manufacturer, they are really pretty different. For example, the Samsung Galaxy Note 2 has a 5.5-inch screen, while the S4 has a 5-inch screen. Now this is only 720p, while this is 1080p, so in general you have a much higher pixel density in the S4, 441 ppi versus around 225, somewhere in that ballpark in the Samsung Galaxy Note 2. Now we went ahead and ran some benchmarks on these to look at how the different processors compare, because we have what looks like it could be a Qualcomm Snapdragon quad-core processor in the S4. It's a Qualcomm ARM V7 chip, and we have a quad-core Exynos in the Samsung Galaxy Note 2. This is clocked at 1.6 gigahertz, while as in the S4 it appears to be clocked at about 1.9 gigahertz. So let's open up the benchmarks, and as you can see, the S4 is right now blowing the Samsung Galaxy Note 2 away. Now they make a point in the spec sheets here of saying that these are not the final specifications that we're looking at, so this could change in the future, but no matter how you look at it, it looks like the S4 is going to be a significantly more powerful phone than the Note 2. Now looking at battery capacity, the Note 2 is kind of the leader here, although we haven't looked at real-life battery performance. The Note 2 has a 3,100 milliamp hour battery, while the S4 only has a 2,600 milliamp hour battery. Like I said though, we don't know the real-world performance here. Obviously, the Note 2 is a much larger phone. This isn't very useful for one-handed operation, even with the special enhancements that Samsung's included in the software, whereas the S4, from just handling it here at the launch event, it seems like it'd be much easier to actually use this just one-handed. The Samsung Galaxy S4 is the thinner of the two devices, and generally smaller all around. This has been Chris Wilk from Android Authority. We're here at the S4 launch event, and we're going to bring you even more comparisons with a bunch of different devices and the Samsung Galaxy S4.